It's that time again for my giant life, and I'm here to do this month's prompt for the month of October is my giant nightmare. What is that one fear that can paralyze you? Could it be spiders, a fear of change, journal, and art outside your comfort zone? Well, last year, and this year kind of, was a outside of your box feelings of fear. I don't like drastic changes, and the drastic change for me was my moving from one state to another, and all the stress and everything, the unknown, fear of the unknown, I think is the more paralyzing for me. But I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to journal about that. I'm going to journal about my fear of snakes. I do not like snakes. Yeah, they can be paralyzing, that fear, that flight or fight reaction, and it depends on the situation I'm in. If I'm caught majorly by surprise, I might fight or I might run, okay? So it just all depends on the situation. So I'm going to do my journal page kind of based on that. I do not like snakes, and I do not like spiders, but I think I don't like snakes more. I think I dislike snakes more than I do spiders. So that's what I'm going to do. So I hope that you enjoy my process as I journal through this. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to check out all the other lovely artists that are involved in this collaboration. I will post links down at the bottom in the description box below to their this month's links. All right, so thanks again for watching. So I'm going to create a mask, and I cut this out of, I got this image from Pixabay, where I like to get a lot of my copyright-free images. And so now I'm going to tape this down, and then I'm going to do a mask, and you'll see exactly what I mean after I tape it down. I'll be right back because I can't find my painter's tape. All right, so I've taped it down, and now I'm going to use some black paint to go over the top of this whole card. So I'm going to let this dry, and I'll be back in a few to add the finishing touches. All right, so I'm going to do my finishing touches now that the paint's pretty much dry. All right, so there you have it. I hope that you enjoyed my take on this month's prompt, and don't forget to go check out all the other lovely artists involved in this. And like I said before, I'll post links down at the bottom in the description box below to their videos for this month. And thanks again for watching. And if you like what you see, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, all that jazz, and I shall see you next time. Toodles, bye, have a wonderful day.